So today in our how-to series 1, I'm going to show you how I make popcorn at home. So here I have some oil heating in my pressure pan. Now this is the corn that you get in the grocery store. Just tell the grocery person you want to make popcorn at home. Now I'm going to be using about a half a cup of the corn, and I'm just going to add it to the pressure pan. I'm using a heavy bottomed pan for this, and then I'm just going to put a lid with keeping a little bit of a gap, and then now you can see about after about half a minute or so you'll see the corn popping. So do keep a lid. A transparent lid helps because then you can see that all the corn is popping. Now half a cup of popcorn, corn makes quite a bit of popcorn. As you will see, it's enough for like 2 people. So just tell the grocery man, I want corn to make popcorn at home, and they'll give it to you. And then once it's all ready, all you can do is just, add a little bit of salt, and you can add a little bit of melted butter. You can add any kind of flavoring that you like. You even get this, cheese powder. You can get it at any grocery store. You can put that also, and you get some lovely cheese popcorn. So this is a great way of making popcorn. So now you can, always keep a little bit of a gap, and you can always use a heavy bottomed vessel to, make the corn, and always keep a little bit of a gap because then it starts popping. And as you can see, all of it is popped, and it's really, really so simple to make and really, really easy. So you can make corn at home now, popcorn at home now when you're watching your favorite movie or reading your favorite book. And yeah, just ensure that all the corn is popped very well, and keep your flame from low to medium, and just keep shaking the vessel this way. That way, if there's any corn that is not popped, it will pop up again. So this is a small, short and sweet how-to series where I'll show you just small little tricks and tips that you can, follow at home. So I hope you like this series. Do give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and if you want to see such videos. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.